In this video, I will be disassembling this 2015 Mercedes Benz CLS LED headlight. Here is the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the remainder of the lens. I removed the remainder of the lens. I'm going to continue by removing the T20 screws holding on this front bezel. There are 4 T20 screws on the bottom edge of this lower LED unit. Once those are removed, you can pop this out and disconnect the wire harness. Next, we will have access to 3 more T20 screws on the bottom holding in this black bezel. There is 1 wire harness connector holding on the outside corner LED. Next, I'm going to remove the T20 screws holding on the inside projector mount. Next, I will remove the T20 screws holding on the lower inside projector mount. Next, I will pop off this outside projector mount. In order to remove the LED unit, I had to disconnect this wire harness, this AFS motor, pop off this projector mount. The LED unit is now free from the light. To remove this inner LED light, we need to release this upper mounting tab. With the upper mounting tab removed, we should be able to simply rotate this out. There is 1 wire harness connector holding it in place. Next, I'm going to remove the wire harness. To release the wire harness connector, we need to depress the upper and lower tab and push the connector into the housing. Next, I'm going to remove the wire harness connector. The wire harness is now free from the light. The housing is now empty. The small reflector is held in place by 2 T20 torx screws. black cover on the lower LED unit is simply clipped into place. With the 3 clips on the front popped off, it will rotate off. Next, I'm going to remove the back part of this inner LED projector. There are 4 T20 screws holding on the LED drive unit. There are 3 clips holding this silver bezel in place, one on top, one on bottom, one on the inside corner. The black bezel around the 2 projectors is clipped in place on top on 2 sides and on each side. Once you pop off the 4 tabs, then you need to separate this bezel. It is actually 2 pieces. There's a clip right here on the side. There is a second clip in the center. And finally, there is a third clip on the inside corner. There are 2 T20 screws holding on each of the projectors. The outside projector was held in place by 3 T20 screws on the front and 1 T20 screw on the rear. I will not be able to get access to the LED unit on this small outside projector. There are 3 screws holding the reflector in place, 1, 2, and a third one under this upper bar holding the wire harness in place. There is no easy way to remove this upper bar, so I will not be able to get access to the third screw to get access to this bottom LED board. The reflector on the main LED drive unit is held in place with 2 T10 torx screws. Here are the components from the light. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.